spend a day with me as a full-time artist. So I wake up bright and early at 8 o'clock a.m. and the very first thing that I do is journal. This journal has daily guided prompts, and today I'm writing in the gratitude section. After I journal and do some daily affirmations, I do a little stretching, meditation, and reflection, and then I get into my morning skincare routine. Look how cute my headband is. Once I'm done, I lock it all in with a facial spray. Then I start on some video editing work on my laptop. I review and add some final touches to a video, then I send it in for approval. Next, I head into my art studio. I have a print order to ship, so I get started on packaging. On my laptop, I open up my final art files and make a high quality print. This customer ordered a large size print, 13 by 19, so I double check, make sure all the print settings are good, then I send it off to the printer. After a quality check, I then go to pick up a package. I just ordered a huge supply of new art shipping materials, so let's unbox them. I got some clear packaging plastic and more durable print backings to protect my art when shipping. Now I'm packaging the order, free stickers, a cute little business card. Yay! It looks so much more professional and sleek. After all the work and shipping is done, I then get ready for the gym, and I'm wearing this cute new set that I just got. Before the gym, I always have a protein shake. Here's the protein powder I use, and bruh, I'm literally almost out. I must restock. Oh my goodness, I spilled a wee bit. Okay, and now I'm whipping out some oat milk. This is my favorite oat milk. It is so creamy and good. Oh, and there goes the cap. Oh my gosh, things are going awry. Then I use this frother to mix it. And it's a nice day out, so I drink it outside and get some vitamin D. Then I head out to go to the gym with my friend. Today we're working on abs. After the workout, we go to my favorite healthy food place, Eat Real. Then I head back home and start working on the plans for my new color-themed painting series. I think of everything I want to include, and then I search the internet and Pinterest to find the best possible images as a reference. I then throw all of the reference images I've gathered into Photoshop and start thinking of where to place everything. This pink-themed painting will have Animal Crossing, Sanrio, Sunny Angels, Calico Critters, and more. And then I got hungry. I saw this crispy potato recipe on TikTok, and I was determined to make it. Oh, there it goes. She ran away. Here I am prepping the ingredients. Washing the taters. This one looks like a beauty blender. I'm not a fan of peeling potatoes. It literally took me 2.5 hours. Then I finished cooking up dinner. Here are my glorious crispy potatoes. I am so proud of them. After dinner, back to art. I then finalized how I wanted everything to be laid out. Then I got right into it. Started the base color. Here are the 3 canvases for the series. I started painting 2 of them. And then it was already 11 p.m. so I wrapped it up for the night. And that concludes my whole day as a full-time artist. And stay tuned for more painting progress. See you next time. Bye!